Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about February current affair MCQ. This video is important for all agriculture related competitive examination. Let's start. First important question is, which Indian state flagged off India's first fruit train carries a load of 980 metric tons of bananas under brand name Happy Bananas? Options are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Come to explanation. India's first fruit train was launched from Andhra Pradesh. This is first time an entire train carrying a load of 980 metric ton of locally grown banana. The banana will be exported under the brand name Happy Bananas. NABARD approved loan to Punjab State Agriculture Development Bank worth dash at low interest to strengthen and provide financial support to the bank in January 2020. The options are 120 crore, 125 crore, 130 crore, 135 crore or 140 crore. Answer is 140 crore. Now come to the explanation. The National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development has given approval for the loan worth of 140 crore at the lower interest rate to the Punjab State Agriculture and Development Bank to strengthen and support Punjab State Agriculture Development Bank financially. The decision to provide 140 crore was taken during the meeting of Punjab Corporation Minister Sukhvinder Singh Randhawa dedication meeting with NABARD Chairman Harsh Kumar Beniwal in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Third important question is, the World Pulse Day was observed on February 10. The first edition of World Pulse Day was commenced on. Options are 2020, 2016, 2019, 2017 or 2018. Answer is 2019. Come to the explanation. World Pulse Day was observed on February 10, 2020. World Pulse Day was established by Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations to recognize the importance of pulse. World Pulse Day was been designated on February 10 every year since 2019 by the 73rd session of United Nations General Assembly on December 20, 2018. Important question is, what was the theme of 43rd International Fund of Agriculture Development Council held in Rome, Italy on February 2020? First theme is Rural Transformation, Key to Sustainable Development. Second theme is Investing in Sustainable Food System to Enter Hungry by 2030. Third theme is Rural Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Fourth theme is Flagging to Long-Term Resistance, Investing in Sustainable Rural Economics. The answer is theme Investing in Sustainable Food System to End Hunger by 2030. Come to the explanation. The International Fund for Agriculture Development 43th Governing Council meeting held in Rome, Italy on 11-12 February 2020 on the theme Investing in Sustainable Food to End Hunger by 2030. Fifth important question is, the Cabinet has approved to raise the invest submission given to the farmer in the dairy sector from 2% to. Options are 2.25, second option is 2.5, third option is 3% and fourth option is 3.25. Now come to the answer. Answer is 2.5%. Now come to the explanation. The Union Cabinet has given its approval to increase the interest submission on the loan given to the farmer in the dairy sector from 2% to 2.5% under the scheme Dairy Processing and Infrastructure Development Fund with revised outlay of rupees 1184 crore. Sixth important question is, which Indian state government has launched Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen to provide affordable meal to the farmers, rupees 10 per plate? Options are Odisha, Haryana, Punjab, Karnataka or Gujarat. Correct answer is Haryana. Now come to the explanation. According to the Haryana governor, the state government will open Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the mandis and sugar mill across the state to provide affordable cheap meal to the farmer and laborers at concession rate of rupees 10 per plate. Seventh important question is, to which Indian state or union territory NABARD has guaranteed 400.64 crore under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund to boost the infrastructure in February 2020? Options are Jammu Kashmir, Haryana, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh or Odisha. Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Now come to the explanation. National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD, an apex development and financial institution of India, has guaranteed a sum of 400.64 crore rupees to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Eighth important question is, the International Conference on Banana 2020 with the theme of innovation in sustainable production and value chain management in banana was held at. Options is Nagpur, Maharashtra. Second option is Cochin, Kerala. Third one is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Fourth one is Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, and fifth one is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Now come to the explanation. The National Conference on Banana 2020 with the theme of innovation in sustainable production and value chain management in banana held in Trichy, Tamil Nadu between February 22 to 25, 2020. Ninth important question is, the Government of India has approved rupees 162 crore for Operation Green Scheme in February 2020. The Operation Green Scheme works under which ministry? Options is Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Second one is Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Third option is Ministry of Agriculture and Welfare, Farmer Welfare. Fourth option is Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. Answer is Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Now come to the explanation. The government approved 162 crore under the Operation Green Scheme, which was announced in the 2018-19 budget, with the outlay of 500 crore to the stable and to supply top crops, means on tomato, onion and potato, to confirm their availability throughout the year without price volatility. These schemes work under Ministry of Food Processing and Industries. Now the 10th important question is for you. If you know the answer, comment your answer. The question is, the central government has approved 32 projects that cover 17 states with the investment worth of rupees 406 crore under PMKSY scheme. The S in PMKSY scheme denotes Swachh, Sadak, Sampada, Shiksha or Samriddhi. Comment your answer. In this video, we have covered important MCQ of February current affair. In the description, you will get link of detailed agriculture current affair of February, which is most important. Don't forget to leave your review about this video and suggest us next topic.